With just 4 simple ingredients, these Christmas crackles are a perfect Christmas treat. G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. This has to be an incredibly simple last minute recipe to make for Christmas, but it's absolutely delicious. So join me today as I make my version of white chocolate Christmas crackles. And don't forget to check out toddskitchen.com for my fantastic merchandise. Now we're going to start this off with 375 grams or 2 cups of white chocolate. And we're going to place this into the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and give it a good stir each time until it's completely melted. Now once the chocolate's melted into a large bowl, I'm going to place in 4 cups of rice bubbles or rice pops. You know, those fluffy bits of rice that we have for cereal. And then on top of that, half a cup of desiccated or shredded coconut. Now being a Christmas themed recipe, I've been able to find these Christmas themed M&Ms. Otherwise just use normal M&Ms. It's simply a colour thing. So I'm just going to add in a standard packet of our M&Ms. And I'm going to add just about 3/4 of this packet because I'm going to leave the remaining to put on top of our crackles. And just give that a quick mix through just to combine all the ingredients. And then finally just pour on our melted chocolate. And it's just a simple matter of mixing everything through until it's all well combined. Just make sure everything is coated in that chocolate because that works as the glue that's going to combine everything nicely. Just make sure you get straight from the bottom to the top so you get all those M&Ms and the coconut throughout the entire mixture. So you got all those lovely flavors working together. But at the same time, just fold it through gently, just so you're not popping all those rice bubbles. And with some cupcake holders, I'm using silicone ones because it's easier. Just going to fill each one with our yummy mixture. And simply top each one just with a couple more M&Ms just for the extra colour. Now once done, just simply place them in the fridge for about an hour to completely set and they're ready. Okay, so I've just taken them out of the fridge and don't they look delicious. Literally took me just a few minutes to put together. Only took about half an hour to an hour in the fridge to set and they're ready to serve. So they are a really simple and easy recipe to make as a side treat for Christmas or honestly any time of the year. So with the white chocolate mixed in with those delicious M&Ms, combined with the coconut and those rice bubbles, these white chocolate Christmas crackles are going to taste simply delish.